This is king lifestyle. Let the queen paddle. I let the king enjoy life. You feel me? Chop life before life chop you. On a Monday. She got it, man.
And nobody has to know.
Meji. Welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. It's a brand new day, you got me. I've got another trip coming soon. Good news. But I'm not gonna say. I'm doing quick. Nothing too serious. But you guys will see the outfits. Penaligan, then Tom Ford. So you can my little glasses. I look like a nerd, innit?
Do you know who this is? Richie Boy. Richie, whatever you call it.
Is he Richie in Mobland?
No, that one died. It was bad. I don't want that one.
So which Richie?
The original Richie, you know?
Like Richie Tisto.
Oh,
What did you? Identify yourself.
I'm tired of her. Take one of technical.
Yeah, to do some shopping spree. Uncle Richard.
Guys, don't mind the way I'm looking right now. I look so raggedy. But no, something better is coming. Fresh boy on the way. And that.
You want to go do a transplant?
We're not party for our own generation.
Mention names. Party for his brain. First stop for today is Zara. Let's go. So here we go and see. Let's see what they have. I need pure black straight jeans. It's giving beach vibes. Not a fan. Those art here. Let's see what they have in Zara today. Let me start with this shirt. This is one of my favorite pickup today. This is not bad. What do you think? Yeah? Hold on. This one? I like. You want to go and grab quick lunch? Stop that.
Yes.
I like.
It's the same, but he's just got the size down. Oh, let me help you, please. Yeah, you just I'll take it. It gives me anxiety.
What gives me anxiety?
People fold really bad.
Guys, my favorite place to be. Penali, guys. This is Hi. I'm good, and you?
I'm very well.
How's the day going?
Huh?
How's the day going?
It's going. How can I help you guys?
First of all, I want Mr. Sam.
First of all, I want.
I was there before, so I'm Nigerian.
I can tell.
Because of the way I speak, yeah?
Sorry?
Because of the way I speak.
Oh, that would be like just How fetty leather?
Let me see, yeah?
Better.
can tell.
Better,
Packaging.
in my view. This is my go-to for guys. It's deeper, it's headier, it's woodier.
Yeah.
Yes.
This one sharp.
Has better longevity.
This?
Are you still convinced about?
Yeah, I'm going for this.
Has better longevity.
Change your mind.
Projects better. Better longevity.
I like the smell of this. To be
It
honest.
smells good.
It's so cool.
It smells
Yeah.
good.
Me personally, this is more ideal for a guy. This is a go-to. This one
I mean the old
Where is Mr. Sam again?
Blazing Sam. So Sam has that soft, woodier. She has similar notes with smells slightly similar to how Fetty, but it has a little bit of sweetness to it. Yeah.
nice man. I'm not sure of yourself. Okay.
Nigerians are always short. So.
Of course, I am. I know I'm going for.
Now you bragged about it the last time we did. Okay.
First.
But
Sorry.
I think I like that one better.
This for me, that's mine ideal for a guy.
What are you saying? You change your mind.
I was planning on getting two actually.
You can pick this one and
And,
that,
yeah.
that leather one is cool.
Go for leather, go for Sam. I'm gonna pop in Half-Fitted Classic for you as a complimentary. And
First.
then you can just leave that in your car and when you want to top up and freshen up.
She get it right.
And nobody has to know.
What do you have to say about Penaligon?
I think it's really nice. Good, different from the regular. I wouldn't, no disrespect to other kinds of perfume. Shout out to y'all, man. But this one is dandy. You know what I mean? Check your dictionary.
Next up, Uniqlo.
Because they are unique.
Eggs. This guy. This guy. What the hell? What the hell, auntie? This slim fits. For best quality plain tees, this is the right spot. Uniqlo.
Looks like
There are different sizes. Yeah. This here. So, unfortunately, I was only able to get these joggers. They are nice anyways.
Where'd you get your hat from?
I don't remember where I got the hat from. I think ASOS. I guess so. Everybody busy with bag. Everybody shopping. See them? The trust fund kids. God, please let my parents be rich. I know it's too late. Those are the trust fund boys. You get me? I think, which are your new collections here for the Joe Malones? Huh?
Orange marmalade, so it's a new citrus fragrance.
This one, this is nice.
And then we have our
This one too is nice. I like this citrus here. I'll go for this.
yeah. In this size, yeah.
Yeah. We have one more to do. Last. Then we're gonna look for something to eat. Make I see.
Those are cool.
But they are baggy.
That's women.
Have you seen anything good, Brody? Wow. That's a thick, roundy. Guess what? You know the vibes. You know the vibes. Mon chéri. Kama Sutra. A position a day.
A position a day. How many? This is a thick book.
That's why you see them. They've seen Kama Sutra now. All their body is Kama Sutra. You get me? What is the context?
Different sex positions. And
Yeah.
they're for both men and women.
This is not what I need in my life right now.
All about love is what we need.
I need.
This. I love it when you call me Big Papa. I love it when you call me Big Papa. Woo. This is a nice feeling. And you bring that book of Kama Sutra. Let's Kama Sutra. Is this guy don't surprise me?
Joe Caneo. Kayano.
My love.
Yeah.
Double banana for me. As in God doing it. Guys are tired of now.
Just. That girl said, she saw the last thing she said.
What did she say?
She said, the guy speaks hungry.
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 Dumbass.
God is our yeah.
Which colour? We've got quite a few.
Am I not lucky?
Yeah, you got just because gift, innit? I wanted to get these, but they don't
Get
have them in my
yourself
size. I can show you it.
a rich woman. She just got me the AC. Shopping no easy, oh. We are done for the day. Home sweet home. Now I'm about to go and eat dinner. On my baby, she doesn't take care of you get money check. That's all, but unfortunately, you no get space. You have to do. You have to order.
No space, so we are just chilling here, waiting for our
Fish.
fish. Yeah, that fish.
Whether what?
What do I order here?
Lamb chop.
Lamb chops, yeah? Yeah. But there's one man here, you see the way the man they are this lamb chops. Now him convince me, so now wait till
Now he give you motivation to chop the lamb chops. They give us the
Got everything? Thank you.
Try me fish.
That is because South.
This is Papi's grill. Fish, plantain, jollof rice, lamb chops, yam, fish. Papi's grill. I'll be a food up and okay. Now this fish gone. They bust my bololo. Bro, you need to taste out of this fish. I'm not feeling too well, but the weather is nice today. Decided to go do kayaking. I decided to go and kayak. Let's see how I feel doing because I've taken medication.
The fuck everybody heard this true. Oh, me with any very true.
I miss coming to this place. Welcome to St. Andrew Lake.
What was your name, sorry?
Dennis. We are here to kayak, like kaya. And this is my sexy baby. Baby.
Why would you try to catch me?
This kiss. So let's get ready.
See how these go.
Yeah, just keep going, keep paddling. Come to St. Andrew Lake, baby. We're chilling. You know, you feel me? On a Monday, in the middle of nowhere, just kayaking with the love of my life. She learned so fast. I taught her how to paddle and, you know, she's doing well. Right. You've been paddling since and you're doing great. Right. This is a beautiful view around the water. Around the water. We've gone this far. Just look at me. We've gone far now. Beautiful view. This is king lifestyle. Let the queen paddle and let the king enjoy life. You feel me? Chop life before life chop you. On a Monday. If you fall inside water, your head will correct. Look at the distance, bro. This place is far. Live on the content. Kids and water 5 and 6. That guy is about to jump off. Yes, now. Funny how me and Farouk did it when we tried it. End of 1 hour kayaking section. These kids are giving me joy. Like, I should go and join them, but I'll be back for Aqua Park. You feel me? Swimming back to where? Kayak me to the entrance there. Left. Back to starting point. What a lovely enjoyment. I can't wait to be back here, to be honest. Right, left. I know you guys will be wondering the goat that is talking. Cannot blame her. Here we are. Kayak, left. Whew. Done for today. I want to rinse my leg. Because I'm going for a solo trip. This is the life we chose. No. What can you say? So guys, literally just here today to just, take a break from life and reset sometimes is needed. Just in no time. I just need to rest. I take a nap. Anyways, I'll catch you guys later and enjoy the rest of your week.